What if I told you? The biggest reason you struggle to stay disciplined isn't laziness or lack of willpower. It's the little habits you repeat every single day without even realizing they're destroying you from the inside. See, discipline isn't just about waking up early, hitting the gym, or grinding on your goals. Discipline is built, or broken, by the small invisible choices you make when no one's watching. And if you're honest with yourself, you already know there are habits in your life right now that are secretly killing your discipline. So today, let's expose them. Because once you see them clearly, you can't unsee them. And that's the first step to breaking free. Let's dive in. First habit, hitting the snooze button. I know it sounds small. But listen, when your alarm rings and you hit snooze, you've already lost your first battle of the day. You told yourself you'd wake up at 6. The alarm goes off, and instead of honoring your own word, you negotiate with yourself, just 10 more minutes. But here's the truth. If you can't win against your own pillow, how do you expect to win against the real challenges out there? Every snooze trains your brain to accept procrastination as normal. And that tiny choice carries into everything: your work, your fitness, your relationships. Stop snoozing. When the alarm rings, get up. Because that one decision sets the tone for your entire day. Second habit, keeping promises to everyone except yourself. Think about it. If your boss tells you to finish a project, you stay up late to get it done. If your friend asks for help, you show up. But when you promise yourself, "I'll start working on my goals tonight," you don't. This habit is deadly. Because discipline isn't about what you do for others, it's about whether you can respect yourself enough to keep your own word. Every time you break a promise to yourself, you're telling your brain, "My goals don't matter." And over time, you stop believing yourself. You stop trusting your own voice. That's why so many people feel stuck. They've betrayed themselves so many times they don't even try anymore. Start small. Make one promise to yourself today. Keep it. Rebuild that trust brick by brick. Third habit, letting emotions control your actions. You know the drill. You don't feel like working out, so you skip it. You don't feel like studying, so you scroll your phone. You don't feel like building that business, so you binge Netflix. But here's the harsh reality. Discipline begins where your feelings end. If you only act when you feel motivated, you'll never achieve anything great. Do you think soldiers in training feel like waking up at 4 a.m. in freezing weather? Do you think successful people feel like grinding when no one's clapping for them? Of course not. They act despite their feelings. And that's the difference between dreamers and achievers. So next time your brain says, "I don't feel like it," take it as a challenge. Do it anyway. That's how discipline grows. Fourth habit, surrounding yourself with comfort. Look around your life. Your soft bed. Your endless snacks. Your entertainment on demand. Your cozy little comfort zone. It feels good, right? But comfort is a trap. The more comfortable your environment, the weaker your discipline becomes. Because your brain starts craving the easy path, the shortcut, the instant gratification. Think about it. Why is it so easy to scroll social media for hours but so hard to sit and read for 20 minutes? Because one gives you instant dopamine, the other requires effort. If you want discipline, you have to train it like a muscle. That means doing hard things on purpose. Taking cold showers. Saying no to junk food. Pushing yourself when you'd rather stop. Discipline is born in discomfort. The more you expose yourself to it, the stronger you get. Now let's bring it all together. Discipline isn't destroyed overnight. It's chipped away slowly, silently by the habits you thought didn't matter. Snoozing alarms. Broken promises. Letting feelings decide your future. Living in comfort. Each one is a cut to your self-control. And 1,000 little cuts add up to a broken will. But here's the good news. The same way habits kill discipline, habits can rebuild it. One decision at a time. One promise kept. One uncomfortable action. That's how you take back control. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these habits you know is holding you back. Just one. And destroy it this week. No excuses. Because once you take that first step, the rest will follow. If this hit you hard, don't just nod and move on. Reflect. Comment below which habit you're going to eliminate. And if you want more straight up, no BS videos like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Because the truth is, discipline is rare. And if you master it, you'll stand out in a world full of quitters. The choice is yours.